Hi guys, today we're going to talk about number system. Number system is the earliest numerals which has been found. It is consists of either vertical and horizontal marks. Now we have different types of number system. First is the unitary system. From the word unit, it means a whole or one. It also means tallying. For example, we decided to count how many times you watch your favorite movie. Next, we have decimal system. From the word deci, which means 10. Decimal system is a way of counting that uses 10 different digits. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. It also relies on a place value. Now, decimal system has two different types. First is decimal integer. Decimal integers can be expressed as the sum of its digits times a power of 10, which means any number can be represented in descending power of 10. For example, we have 347. The place value of 7 is 0, 4 is 1, 3 is 2. Now we're going to expand its notation. 3 times 10 raised to 2 plus 4 times 10 raised to 1 plus 7 times 10 raised to 0. Next, 3 times 100 plus 4 times 10 plus 7 times 1. As you can see, I put 1 because anything raised to 0 is automatically 1. Next, we have 300 plus 40 plus 7. We're going to add it and we have the sum of 347. We get the same number. The second types of decimal system is decimal fraction. Now, decimal fraction is also expressed as decimal integer, but the digit to the right of the decimal points are the negative power of 10. For example, we have 345.67. 5 is the place value is 0, 4 is 1, 3 is 2. Now we're going to move to the next. 6 has the place value of negative 1, 7 is negative 2. Now we're going to expand it. 3 times 10 raised to 2 plus 4 times 10 raised to 1 plus 5 times 10 raised to 0 plus 6 times 10 raised to negative 1 plus 7 times 10 raised to negative 2. Next, 3 times 100 plus 4 times 10 plus 5 times 1 plus 6 divided by 10 plus 7 divided by 100. Next, 300 plus 40 plus 5 plus 0.6 plus 0.07. We're going to add it up and we have 345 and 67. We got the same. Next type of number system is the scientific and engineering notation. Now, scientific and engineering notation write down very large or small numbers in a neat and short way. For example, we have 300,000. Now we're going to move the decimal point to the left and leave the whole number. Now, 300,000 is equals to 3 times 10 raised to 5. Next type of number system is the rounding of values. Rounding of values is a process of dropping or eliminating the final digit. It has two types. First is the rounding up. Rounding up is when the nearest place value is greater than or equal to 5. For example, we have 487. Now, we need to round it off to the nearest tens. So, the answer will be 490 since the nearest value of tens is 5. Next is rounding down. Rounding down is used when the nearest place value is lower than 5. For example, we have 43. We need to round it off to the nearest tens. So the answer would be 40. The last type of number system is truncating or trapping. Truncating or trapping is a bit of similar to rounding off value, but instead of rounding it off, it deletes the digit. For example, we have 45.86. We're going to delete the 86 and we will be left with 45.